Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's We're Behind the Camera, and I appreciate that you're here with me tonight. Look, I'm just talking to you because in the previous video I had some people saying maybe I should say something about the car before I can even keep quiet, because I don't prefer talking to you at night about the cars and so on, because I've already done a review. If you want to see the full details of this video, you can also go to the previous video, the one before the Mercedes. You will find all the details that you need on the car. Of course, we've done the Everest before, we've done the Sport, and we've driven this one as well during the day, showed you everything there is to see as well. But here at night, I just showed you everything. In fact, everything around this car is LED, except I think for the indicators. I'm not 100% sure, but they don't look like they're LEDs. Everything else is quite amazing. The interior as well, the illumination in here, unfortunately this ambient lighting, it's only one color, but otherwise it does look amazing from inside as well. The lighting is illuminating quite well at night. In fact, I loved what it does at the back as well. That light that is just on the rear boot, like when you are lifting it, and on the lid there, it can project downwards. I like that about it, because then it gives you much more illumination at night. Otherwise, we're going to do a quiet drive as we usually do. And yeah, we're going to do the sound system test as well, just for you to gauge how this car is at night, the wind noises and everything around it as well. Of course, this is the top spec, 3-liter, 184 kilowatts, 600 Newton meters of torque. Everything that we're going to do here, we're going to do it on normal drive, because there's no need for us to do it on any other drive mode. But otherwise, I hope you enjoy this drive. Thank you so much. Let's go. Oh yeah, before I forget, I couldn't get this car to do the auto high beam thing. I don't know if I couldn't find it or I don't know how to do it. But anyone can tell me in the comments if maybe there's a setting that I needed to do. I couldn't find that. And as well, this one doesn't have matrix LEDs. I remember I was with Nikki from Switch of South Africa, and when he came with the Wildtrak X, we noted that actually those lights look amazing. Even at night, the way they illuminate. I think I will do a night drive with it at some point. But hey, I think Ford need to bring those lights here, because this is the Platinum. On the Platinum, the Ranger, actually the Platinum, it does have those lights. So yeah, these ones, they're okay, but they're not the best. Once you see those ones, you'll understand what I mean. Otherwise, I'm going to keep quiet from here. Peace.